Hello, welcome to Spareka's YouTube channel. In the world of household appliances, we have a Dolce Gusto coffee maker from Krups, the KP100. And it is possible that on this coffee maker, you might encounter issues with the flow of water. You place your capsule in the coffee maker, but the water does not flow. Therefore, when we open the coffee maker and remove the part where the capsule is inserted, we can see that the water does not pass through. Here, you have a small punch that comes to pierce the capsule and sends the water, of course, into the capsule for the purpose of making the coffee flow smoothly and effortlessly. We have a peculiarity on this coffee maker, which is that when we remove the water tank here, there's a spring. This spring is not for the tank, it's a maintenance spring. We will remove it, that is all, plain and simple. And this spring, it has precisely the correct dimension to go clean this little nozzle. Compact nozzle with the ability to hold coffee beans and coffee grounds that may obstruct the water flow, causing it to stop.
So what do? We take this small spring and we put it here in the nozzle and we push it in to clean the inside well.
There you go. When we do this, we will of course recover the water flow. So I unclogged my nozzle. I can open it here to put my pod holder back in. I shut it, and above all, right here, I'm going to put my little spring back inside where it belongs. There you go. He is present, he is located in the correct position, and I am able to return my tank. There you go. This doesn't stop tank from being removed, from being put. Small spring stays, ready for next time to serve in unclogging your coffee maker. This is how we unclog the small nozzle for water drainage, so we can ensure proper water flow and prevent any blockages. We provided you with an explanation about your Dolce Gusto machine, the skilled croupier, and how to clean the small nozzle for water inlet. So we hope that this video will be useful to you. Feel free to subscribe at the end of the video. Don't hesitate to like this video with your thumb, show your liking, and ask questions, both technical and about usage and maintenance tips. We'll respond ASAP. See you on Spareka YouTube. Thank you for your support.